For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company Purrugs, P-U-R-R-U-G-S, just like it sounds, and a dirt trapper floor mat. Okay, so this is really a super high quality rug. There's not, unfortunately, a whole lot to say or whatever, but I'm going to talk about it and tell you some specs about it. That's basically it. There isn't really much of an unboxing per se, but there's a lot I can say about it. So Purrugs has a lot of different sizes and colors that you can choose from, and I'm going to put the link in the description as to where you can get one. They're non-slip, machine washable entry rugs. Shoe scraper, door dog mat, super absorbent welcome mat for front or back door, muddy shoes, claws, paws, you name it. So a little bit about this. I want to get into some of the specs of it because there's quite a bit to discuss here. So we have, it's a low profile and versatile. It's not one of those kind of rugs that if you pull on, you're going to get a handful of rug. It's very rugged, very rugged. It's low profile and versatile. The low profile design and reinforced overlook edges tend to have a firmer brushing action and allow the door to open easy over it without jamming or curling. It's ideal for low clearing doors or entryways. Our doormats are available in a variety of sizes. You can get it for your front door, back door, pet entry, indoor entrance, kitchen, laundry, etc. It traps dirt and moisture. The countless polyester fibers can effectively catch water and dirt off the bottom of your shoes. Our dirt trapper doormat can keep indoor areas of your home or business clean, dry, and safe, especially from the rain, snow, mud areas. For the best results, use the largest indoor doormats you have space for. It's soft and non-slip. These indoor doormats are made of high-quality polyester microfiber, which is durable, super absorbent, and comfortable to walk on. The strong non-slip TPR backing, which is important, keep them firmly in place, helping to prevent safety hazards such as trips and falls. So like mine, I'm putting it on a tile flooring, and it does not move at all. It's firmly in place. Durable and pet friendly. Our entryway rugs are designed with your whole family in mind, made of premium polyester cut file fabric and reinforced overlock binding edges. They are much less likely to get caught on claws compared to the loot pile carpets or carpets with serrated edges. This makes them an ideal choice for households with furry pets, keeping your floors clean and your pets comfortable with our durable, pet-friendly throw rugs and area rugs. Here's the important part: easy to clean. The stain and fade-resistant polyester carpet surface can be easily cleaned by vacuuming. For a deeper clean, machine wash separately in cold water using mild detergent. Tumble dry, low heat. Do not use bleach or fabric softeners. Our doormats will not fade or wear out and will remain like new even after repeated washings. So that is my video on the Purrugs. Nice name as well. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.